Careful, they're trying to catch around Rachel.
Stabilize.
Help Monlit on the east side, help him.
He's helping, guys.
Wait, ping.
I wanna ease up that. I've been holding them for 2 minutes, man.
Why are you alone? Oh my god.
I had nowhere to go.
Bro. Zinyara dying as well.
Keep
Nah,
pinging me.
Rudy, I told you to follow me.
That's
I
not
told you to
pinging.
follow the captain. You're not following me. That's why you waste time. That's why we don't come damage because you're not following your caller. You're running.
Wait, follow caller, guys. Wait. Here. We're catching one on ping.
Yeah, I go first. We're not gonna fight that without our group.
Catch this one on ping.
Pass, we kill this man. We're gonna get lots of loot. They have a lot of loot. Why I have 5 D tanks now? Why this? Holy shit! What is this? Come up, guys. We're gonna catch them. We're gonna force fight. I need healers up. No more healers. Party 1. Party 2.
5 member missing.
Yeah, I'm missing people. Party 2, you have healers? Party 2, you need to answer me fast, man.
Yeah. It's
How many?
one. Only me.
Where's my healers?
I'm the only healer.
They're regearing out here. Regearing.
Party 1, they're running now, bro. Catch them, please. Catch them.
Another blood.
Oh, the block.
Long healer. Pass healers. Catch.
Ay, the blood. Oy.
Oh, yeah.
Marcos. Party go. Regis.
Dismantle.
Hey.
OC now. Somewhere. Put the OC. Spread. Put the OC. We're gonna take west side. Heal my front, please. Put the OC. I need healers, man. First enemy.
Okay. Hold position dismounted.
Where?
On the gate.
Where's all?
On the gate.
Ah, fuck. Pumas in
2QS.
Pumas in
No, it's hold position.
Come here. Pumas is
I'm reaching.
Hey, I think you need fast, bro.
Bayo 13 DA.
Come
13 DA, Bayo.
like this. I need healers, man. Zenyara, ano.
It's a block at the time. Careful. Invite healer. They're Xing up.
They're Xing up, maybe.
Yeah, party 2 invite.
What's this guy? What's the blob on the bank?
Pumas,
It's
they banking.
Pumas bang. Barcode entrance.
Is the banking.
From northeast, follow me. Where's Pumas? I need this eyes on Pumas.
Okay, let's go.
I need scout on Pumas. They're running? They're zoning west. Okay, we fight Bayo. Come on. Where's Bayo?
Bayo 14 DA.
Okay, come on. We're good. Come on. We're 14.
They have the entrance.
Comes up.
Mounted up.
Comes up.
They wanna fight.
Sticky dart to me. Comes up. Catch them. Why they're mounted?
I'll catch. Come in.
Catch. This one. Get him. Fuck, why they run?
Goodbye.
Okay, nice.
East side, enemy east side. Come.
Yeah.
They dismount or what?
It's mounted here.
Okay.
It's mounted here.
Follow me. We're good. Zenyara, where are you? Are you coming back or no? I'm gonna kill party 2 pe. Punta sa party 1 2 pe.
They dismounted. Yep.
E1.
One screen.
Kamis. Left ang front, please. Take engage. Stick is time. Take engage northeast deep. He's the front line. Come northeast now. Push. Push northeast. Stand them now. Nice in. Push northeast. I'm getting slow. Northeast 5. Northeast 4. 3, 2, 1. On my club northeast. Big lang mo na northeast now. Spread south. Spread south. Hold here. Hold the position. Hold position, man. Just kill the tanks. Establish the tank. Hold here. Don't go up the cliff. Comes up and hold. 10 seconds.
Take ready.
They're gonna counter. Taking engage now. Defense at the front. Don't die. Northeast. Push. Northeast. Push northeast, man. I need this front. Northeast 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my club, northeast. Big club on the northeast, man. That's everyone. Holy shit. Don't come back south.
Nice.
Push.
Oh my God, they're killing.
Ready. Defense ready. They're gonna engage now. Defensive ready.
Okay, guys.
Defense ready. Keep pushing northwest. northwest, keep pushing northwest, 10 seconds away, 10 seconds, 15 seconds.
Don't load, guys, don't load.
West, keep going west, please, keep going west. They're gonna engage now, defense front, northwest 5, northwest, keep going. Going northwest, 5, northwest 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, big lamp northwest, man, big lamp northwest, that's fucking it, man. Keep working, he's the front.
Heels front.
They've engaged now, Careful at the front, keep going northwest, they've engaged.
Balls on us.
Demon ready. Keep going northwest, keep going northwest, keep going northwest, push, you're too far, man, Miser is too far, keep going northwest, 6 seconds for getting engaged. Come northwest now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, oh my god, northwest, man, big jump, nice shit,
Nice one, I.
Keep going west,
Chase him up.
He's at the front line, roll them now, they're running now,
They're running.
Kill them all, they're good.
Santa, boleh mo yung 6-3 replay ba, Santa?
Just catch all, don't look, catch all.
Nice. Naya. Go, Eki. Yay.
Say again?
Best caller, Eki. Let's go. Yummy, take on the side.
No. Oh, more. Bro, Fumas back. Careful. Fumas back. Group up.
Pumas here, Pumas back.
Fumas following you guys. Yeah, you go north.
Come north, third group, please. Stabilize north. Establish this inside that. Pick engage north, inside us. Pick engage, please. North, please, third group, please. We need third group, man. North, 5.
PDA Fumas.
Inside us, 3, 2, 1, west side, on the club, west side. Damage it, I need this front, I need this on me. Biggest please. Spread now, they're fucking running over. Come east. Hold this. I need this at the front. Hold the east side, man. Dapping heels, dapping jet, dapping you, stability.
Take ready.
5 seconds, we're gonna engage. Come east. West side 5, west side 4, west side 3, west side 2, inside us 2, 1. On make them, man. Big lamp on me. Damage it on this side. No, come northeast. We're good. Come northeast.
We're very low.
Come northeast. Keep right northeast. 15 seconds, we're gonna
We're
engage.
very low, guys.
Keep right northeast. This fucking guys just brawling, man. Keep going northeast.
We lost 9 members. Careful.
Establish on the enemy. We're gonna engage southwest. Come southwest now. Everyone southwest. 5, southwest 4, southwest 3. Oh, fuck. Come south, man. Don't run. Inside us 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, man. Big lamp on me. Fucking bullshit.
It is but Latin Sarapats.
Gago, wipe out tayo. Nag-run over lang yung mga gago. Nandong pack ng skill, men. Ano yan?
Sakit to. Puro spike sila.
Kaya nga, puro spike.
Rinarandom yung spike ng katip.
Random lang.
Ano yung kalokohan? Nag-push in kanya-kanya eh. Monkey
Oh
bro.
my god.
The pack yung spike bro. So ano yung...
Ang half day ng spike ko eh.